Are you out there looking for a way to earn money online? Then you actually need to try out this CPA marketing strategy that can enable you earn money utilizing a very cool platform right here called TikTok right now. So we're just going to be combining these two platforms, as you're going to be creating a very cool and amazing Reddit story videos that you can actually see that this channel actually creates, and utilize such kinds of videos to help you get better conversions and traffic to your CPA marketing offers. But before we do that, first of all, we actually want to just simply be focused on our CPA marketing offers that we want to promote. Now you could easily get a CPA marketing offer from platform like CPAGRRIP right now. You can register or you could log into your account. Once you're logged in, you want to come onto this page that says my offers, and to get to this page you just need to come right here to this section, select the offer tools option, select my offers. You're going to be brought to a page similar to this. Filter your offers to offers like from the United States or other countries that visit the website called TikTok the most. Now if you do actually get offers such as that, you want to just simply go into selecting multiple offers, because you can actually promote multiple offers with this strategy. You can just simply select an offer and the details of that offer will be shown to you, such as the amount you're actually going to be winning as a gift cash prize, and also the country which you need to drive traffic to. You need to drive traffic to the United States. So people using Apple iOS devices, they need to just simply submit their email address or zip code, going through a simple survey utilizing this your unique affiliate link, and you're gonna get paid $1.02 for everybody that completes this offer. That's how cool this actually is. What you need to do is to actually copy the link to the offer and go into creating a simple landing page. Now there are a lot of landing page builder sites out there like the Systemy.io, Breezy.io, Linktree, and a lot more numerous landing page builder sites out there you could easily go into leveraging. Now you can actually utilize Linktree right here and get multiple CPA marketing offers from various countries right there that visit TikTok the most, and just simply add such offers right there to your Linktree link, then go on to promoting your Linktree link. Now how do we do that, guys? You want to first of all go on to creating a Reddit story. Now for your Reddit story, guys, you need to actually have a Reddit story you want to convert into a video. Now you can actually get that by going on to Google, searching for Reddit, select the first option, which is www.reddit.com, and it's going to bring you right here to a page such as this, where you can actually come onto this search section, and you want to search for the Reddit confession niche or confession subreddit right now. It's going to bring you right here to this page, and you can easily go on to filtering that particular subreddit right there. Maybe you want to just simply get top content. You want to select this, make sure this is on top, and make sure that this actually section is on this month, so that you can actually see videos that were posted this month right now. Now you can easily go into selecting any one of these stories. So far the story, guys, are not actually using vulgar languages, and the story are actually quite educative and not provocative right there. So you can actually see this story says how I made $100 from someone else content. If you go click on that story right now, you can see much more details about the story. You need to just simply copy the link domain to this page. Once you copy that, guys, you actually need to just simply head onto this platform called the vsub.io. Now this is a very cool platform that you can easily go on to utilizing for video generation right now. As you can see, the video captions in minutes, not hours. You can generate animated subtitles with emojis like your favorite creators, and you can sign up for free. You don't necessarily need any credit card required to sign up to this particular platform right now. You can just simply go on to checking out the pricing structure, the affiliate section, the community section, and just simply try as much as possible to know more details about the platform. But if you do go on to sign up to the platform by clicking on get started, it's free. You're going to be brought to a page so that looks similar to your account right now. Now the page actually looks something similar to this right here, of which you can just simply go on to creating your Reddit story. Click on the Reddit story option. You want to just simply paste in the link right now to that Reddit story, and you can actually select the language. You can change the maximum amount of characters, and you could also include comments if you want. Now you could just simply click on apply magic. In a matter of a minute or less, your video will be generated right there. And guys, here's a look at how the video actually looks like. You can see that it's a very cool video right now of something actually playing on the background right there. Very cool music right now, and this video is actually grabbing a lot of people's attention for them to just simply listen further. And if they're doing that, guys, you get better chances and conversions to actually go on to helping you go on to editing this particular video to your preference. Now you can actually edit the script right now on subtitle. You could go on to editing the style section such as the font, much more details about that. You can easily come onto the Reddit section and edit how the Reddit space actually how the space actually looks like right now, and you can just simply go into editing the story to your preference right here. Once you're done with all this, download the video on your device. As you can see, you could preview the video right now and you're going to see how cool that actually is. Once you're done with all this, download the video on your device, head on to this platform called TikTok, and you want to just simply take a look at this account, which is actually the discussion times. Now this account actually focuses on Reddit stories, as you can see right now, and most of the stories are getting lots and lots of views and engagement, and you can actually go on to leveraging exactly the same strategy right there. But you also need to take notes, guys, that whenever you're promoting your CPA marketing offers or any link right now on TikTok, you want to make sure that the link is available in the bio of your account. Now if the link is actually valuable or located in the bio of your account right there, you can actually just simply go on to creating cool and amazing content to get a lot of people's attention to come onto your space, and go on to checking out the link in the bio of your account for them to stand a chance of getting access to a free giveaway right there. Now like I said, you want to just simply promote multiple CPA marketing offers to various countries that visit TikTok the most, such that, guys, with that, regardless of the country they do come from, they're going to click on the link and it's actually going to go on to showing them an offer available in their country right there. So you can see a lot of cool and amazing videos that you could leverage right now. Now, if you're looking for other ways to make money online, you may want to check out my #1 recommendation, and that's actually going to be the first link in the description of this video. You may also want to just simply hit the like button to the video right now. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell on all. And guys, like I said, always utilize this simple strategy. Stick on with this, be consistent, go on to inserting the link to your landing page in the bio of your account, and go on to creating a lot of cool Reddit stories with this platform called the VSub, and utilize that to get a lot of cool traffic and make a lot of money online. So see you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.